Hey, Saidu here. Now in this video, I'm going to show you some of the basic commands to get you started in PowerShell. Most of these commands are commands that you have been familiar with on your normal command prompt on Windows. But at the end of this video, I'll be showing you the commandlets that are very useful in PowerShell, as well as those commands that system administrator and security analysts utilize very often in PowerShell. Now, PowerShell is a very powerful tool. It is both a command console and a scripting language. But with that being said, let's get started. Now, I'll be comparing most of these commands with my command prompt here. So I'll launch my PowerShell. So if you remember very well, your dir is very useful in your command prompt. So dir is a basic command that opens a particular directory. It shows you the directory and files that are in that particular directory. Right now, this is what it is here. So another command that are both useful in these different command windows are ping. Let me try pinging 127. 127.0.0.1. So the ping here is replying. So let me try pinging here 127.0.0.1. So there is also good. So you can see the ping command is also the same thing. So let me try ipconfig. ipconfig is the same output. So these are just the basic commands. Let me try netstat -h to see the variable options that I have. So this netstat command, I like this command very well. So it displays the protocol statistic and current TCP network connection. So but the command that I like most here is netstat -r. So this command shows you the routing table on this particular machine. So you see you have your network destination, you have the subnet mask, which does the net mask, and you also have your gateway. So it does very well. So if you check it here on this command too, it's the same thing. Netstat -r. So it does the same thing. But there are some commands like let's say get -alias -dirr. So this command is example of cmdlet or commandlet. So this command, this dir on PowerShell, normal PowerShell command should be get child. So if you write in this command to show you the same output as if you type in dir. So then the real command to type in PowerShell is get child, but it is also utilizing the dir. So the other command that I want to show you is this netstat -abno. So what this command does is try to show you your entire connection, all the TCP connection here. Both the listening and the established connection will be shown here. So you can see this is your. So this particular number you see here is supposed to be your process ID, the process ID of each process running. So if you are to check your task manager, go to details and process. Any process that you see here, for example, this 6036, you should find it here. So you can be able to end tags, maybe end the particular task, so you can use it here. You can utilize the kill command to kill a particular process. Another command that I want to show you is this command, that if you want to clear your, let's say, recycle bin, you can just type in this or enter the clear -recycle bin command, hit and enter to ask you if you really, or you are very sure you want to clear your recycle bin. If you are very sure, you hit the Y key, or you type in yes, or if you are not, you just type in N to go back. And so these are just the basic command. But to utilize the the command that most system administrators and security analysts use very often is this. For example, if you want to get the access control list on a particular in a particular folder, you go to the directory. First enter this command, get access control list, then you specify the path where it is located. For example, I have a folder in my C drive called demo, so I want to see the access control list in that particular folder. So if I hit on enter key, it show me this. But this particular output is not that useful. I mean, it's very hard to read. So you can utilize the pipe command and change it to format -list. So this is much better. So here you can see the path, which is this Microsoft.PowerShell C demo. Look at the demo, the folder that I'm trying to check on. Look at the owner. The owner is the administrator, and the group is this command. So if you want to check a particular folder and see the kind of ownership on that particular folder and who created that particular folder, you should be able to use this command to utilize that. Another command that I want to show you is get process. So this shows you the entire process is running on this particular machine. So these are the process. But if you want to pipe, or if you want to utilize the shortcut, or if you want to just narrow it down to, maybe let's say you just want to get the process, let's say a doc or word, WinWord. So you just type in get dash process and WinWord, hit on enter, it will show you the process that is running. So right now I just have this particular one word process running. So if you want to maybe check another one, let's say get dash process WinWord, and you want to add maybe Explorer, so you can do that. So this will just narrow the list down to just show you the only process that you are looking for. So that is that. So but if you want to still check maybe for the processes that are running but start with W, can do that. You just need to enter get process asterisk then W. So this would show you the entire process running on this particular machine that start with W. So that is just the introduction of this PowerShell. So but PowerShell is very powerful beyond what I just show you now. So let me quickly show you the integrated scripting environment here. So I think I have it here. So you see, just type PowerShell. So look at this scripting environment. So I have it open here. See, so this is how it looks. I already have it, and I wanted to show you some command. So this is the command that I have been playing with. So this is a simple command to just maybe log to a particular file. I call the file log.txt. So this will just append. And what this particular line do, you can even highlight this and run selection. So this will select it and run it. So if you do this, let's say append to another one. So if I go to my C drive, I have it on my C drive. Go to my C drive here. So the folder is demo. So look at this. So this is the only thing that particular line of code does. So this, I want to run this automatically. I want it to be running automatically. So but yeah, with PowerShell you can be able to achieve that. So I write this program. So first I don't think you have time for this, but what this program does is it basically starts that particular task daily at 10 a.m. So if I check my task scheduler, let me refresh. and go to the bottom. You see right now we don't have that particular um, task, but if I run this command, this one, and run it here, so and go back here, my task scheduler, refresh, so I'll have it here. So right now this is the task scheduler, so it will be running every daily. It will be running every daily, every 10 o'clock. So look at the name of that task. Look at the description. You have your triggers, you have your actions, and you have, so the action is actually to just start a program. So what you can do beyond this, there are this stuff. So this is just the basic to just show you what you can do with PowerShell. And another uh, site that I want to show you is this Microsoft site that tells you a lot on what you can do with PowerShell. So look at the title here. What can I do with PowerShell? You can do actually a lot. So I've been playing around with this site and I found it very useful. So that is why I'm sharing now. So but you can actually go to this site, go to the documentation and actually find a lot of resources that will get you up and running in your PowerShell game. So I think that is it. So if you do enjoy this video, please a like, and if you are new to this channel, which probably you are because this is a new channel, consider subscribing for more videos. And yes, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.